Hey, y'all. Officer Karen Law Dog reporting live to you from Mojave Superior Court. Charles Wallace Hanson IV. Already we've been set up to fail. As you know, the online court system's been a real shit mess since Kern County thought they could copy L.A. County's system.
Yeah, they thought they could handle the old business plan of Brea down there.
And it's all jacked up, in case you haven't noticed. Mojave has always been at 10 a.m. Well, my attorney's secretary messaged me this morning, your attorney's going to be on time this morning, and he'll be there at 8:30. I was barely climbing out of bed at 8:30 because court's always been 10.
I don't get into REM sleep until 8:30.
And trust and believe, I'm always checking the court's website when and if I can, because they've been frustrating my access.
I still haven't gotten access to Corey, except.
Oh, they made that all go
away. That homeboy's bag of chips.
Oh, yeah, look at this. Look at this homeboy flying in that. Look at that.
They made sure one of these cars in this parking lot.
It was better than ours.
Nicer than the vet. And, hell, they pulled it off in Mojave, California. Okay, bitches. You rock on, but you do. That is a nice car.
That is a nice car. Come on, honey, get out. Yeah, they had to send somebody with a better car than ours.
Just in case we brought the vet.
Just in case we brought the vet. And we almost did, but the weather said that it was going to rain. There's one of Zimmer's boys giving me this big guy over there. Did you see old Humpty Dumpty over there?
Oh, Humpty Dumpty.
Come on, honey.
Humphrey Dumpty?
Humphrey Dumpty? No, that wasn't Humphrey. Well, my man, you pulled it off with a better car than ours in Mojave.
That's a beautiful automobile.
That's a beautiful car.
Thank you very much.
We have a 2019 Grand Sport convertible, but I looked at the weather and I said, nah, we're not going to drive that today. So we drove our beater car over there. That's a 6-speed manual.
This is my daily.
Isn't this lovely?
I drove all the way from L.A.
All the way from L.A.?
I'm taking this thing. I'm an attorney. I have a case in Fresno. I took this all the way to Fresno.
So you're a defense attorney?
Yeah. I love driving this car.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I put at least 12,000 miles a year on it.
So what do you think about defending clients here in Mojave, of all places?
I haven't been to this. I haven't been to this courthouse in probably 10 years, if not longer.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Nothing's changed.
Yeah. Except Corey's not here anymore.
Yeah. Anybody know where Corey Woodward's at? Come on out.
Wow. Look at this. Look at that beautiful automobile.
I found it in 2020, but then it needed a full rebuild, and I found a builder who stripped it down to the frame and then rebuilt the entire car.
Damn. The Count?
What?
The Count in Vegas, he does all those rebuild things. Yeah, ours, we were just talking about it last night because we have our little office in the garage. And we're looking at our car, and I was calculating those numbers last night. And we've had this car for like, 7 or 8 years?
It'll be 8, even though it's a 19, because we picked it up in 2018.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm sure in your line of work you know a few civil rights or tort lawyers.
Contact the law dog.
You might want to send them our way.
I'll give you my card.
Yes, I would love it. We're here today on frivolous charges because that's what they do here in Killing County is they target whistleblowers that expose, criticize their corruption.
So anyway, assholes, Corey, this is this very courthouse right here. I got a little bit of history. That goes back further than Murrock. This courthouse here, Corey Woodward destroyed his whole entire family and faith right here behind these doors. Judge Corey Woodward destroyed his entire family in Kern County.
Okay, and
That's what they do to you when you don't play ball.
Yep.
So there you go. Look it up. Google it. Corey Woodward, Mojave, California.
Hey, folks, wish us luck. I'm here on two cases today. The first one is Charles Wallace Hansenized case for allegedly putting Cayman Aguirre in fear for his life, except for Sheriff Donnie Youngblood clearly said nobody's afraid of me. So I don't know what kind of long-term scam Cayman Aguirre's trying to run. The other case is from a year ago when Bradford Frizzell said that I resisted arrest and beat him up, and that's why he tried to unsuccessfully get a red flag gun violence restraining order against me. Only 5 have ever been filed in the history of Kern County, folks. 2 against me and 2 against David Abbasi. That tells you, folks. RICO. And Trump said that we're dirtier than Minnesota, if you can believe that. Folks, we've been saying for years, we make the city of Bell look like Mr. Rogers' neighborhood. Anyway, I'll check back with you after I'm done inside. Bye.